Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to another remote work from home job just for you. Today we have Etsy's position of email and push marketing manager operations. It's 100% remote, pays $90 an hour. It starts in August and it ends in March of next year. You'll be classified as a contractor, but really an employee because you'll be a W-2, and it will be 40 hours a week. So Etsy is a global marketplace for unique and creative goods. We connect creative entrepreneurs from nearly every count around the world with buyers shopping for something special. Tackle unique problems alongside talented coworkers and teams. We're large enough that you'll focus on meaningful, complex challenges, but small enough that you can make a rewarding impact. So your responsibility and your role will be as a CRM, retention marketing manager, individual contributor. You will lead the operations and execution of our CRM retention strategy, including being responsible for executing the buyer and seller marketing vision and roadmap and prioritizing features with product and MarTech to execute campaigns to the deadline, reporting on results, and constantly deliver business impact. Manage end-to-end production for buyer marketing and seller marketing email and push campaigns. Use HTML and Liquid to build and deploy email and push campaigns in Braze, including quality assurance and proofing all campaign builds. Plan and develop monthly and weekly programming and launch calendar in alignment with core stakeholders, delivering and leveraging insights to improve the performance of campaigns and overall Etsy customer experience. Project manage asset requests and asset deliveries with brand and creative and partners. Project manage data attributes analysis and audiences with GDS and key partners. Include submitting Jira tickets for campaign assets and data attributes. Ensure assets and audiences in hand for build. Translates business functional requirements to technical requirements. Quality assurance testing, tire kick and test multi-component canvas. Final campaign sign-off and monitor and analyze data. Some of the requirements include Brass Advanced, build campaigns, canvas journeys, content modules, dynamic targeting reporting, experience using HTML and Liquid to build and deploy email and push campaigns in Braze, third-party integration advanced, code and data manipulation of HTML, JSON, tables/data extensions, proprietary code, Excel and Google Sheets intermediate, advanced formulas such as SUMIFs and VLOOKUP, Looker, add filters and add attributes to create looks, dig deeper through exploration, pivot, extract. Jira, create tickets, track work and initiatives in sprints, backlogging and Kanban prioritization method, urgent plus important prioritization methodology, and attend tri-weekly stand-up. Google Docs, Google Slides, Google Calendar, Google Sheets, and Smart Sheets. Create calendar roadmaps, campaign plans, launch/go-to-market plans, communicate plans, and perform effectively. Quality assurance. Build according to specs, deliver campaign goals on time and with accuracy. Can spam, KSL, GDPR, CCPA, compliance knowledge related to marketing messages. Deliverability basics, feedback loops, return path, 250, okay? Litmus, ISP, device rendering, and spammy comment. Segmentation, you're going to create audience for recurring or single-use applications. And experimenting reporting, create and monitor reporting dashboards to track key KPIs, key performance indicators. So if this sounds like you, this is for Etsy. It pays $90 per hour. It starts in August, so there's still time. And it's all the way to March of next year. You'll be a W-2 employee and it's 40 hours a week. It is fully remote, and you'll be an email and push marketing manager. If that's the case for you and you feel like you're the perfect fit for this role, I'll put the link right in the description right below so you can apply right away. But if that's not you, don't worry. Just subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new remote work from home job just for you. And we're going to be posting 5 to 7 job leads every single day, so you find the perfect one just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.